Welcome to thisisitthejuice.com, where we know vintage signs and the challenges of condition issues. For painted signs and the even more troublesome porcelain signs, the main challenges are sun fading, oxidation, dull, colorless, white overall hazing condition issues. Until now, there was no remedy to these issues. Some would try quick-fix remedies like spraying signs with WD-40, liquid gold, furniture polish, or other spray and wipe-on oils and waxes. The problem with these quick-fix solutions is that they leave behind an oily, greasy residue that evaporates away quickly, revealing the same damaged eyesore of a sign that they started with just days before. Another tried but not true quick fix has been to overspray lacquer or poly on signs in the hopes of bringing back color and shine. But the reality is this totally decreases the value of your vintage signs. Lacquer and poly cause discoloration over time. This creates an even more severe condition issue. For this reason, real collectors will not have any part of oversprayed signs. Until now, there was no real solution to the sun-faded, oxidation, white hazing, and dull surface condition issues on vintage signs. Our new product, This Is It, The Juice, works in a totally unique manner, tackling these condition issues from a new perspective. On porcelain signs, the white hazing is caused by time and harsh environmental conditions. When these signs were manufactured, a wide variety of chemicals were used to create the bold, vibrant colors we love. Over time, these chemicals react negatively with the metal portion of the sign, causing the hazing and fading in the upper layer of the porcelain, the clear glass portion of the sign. This, along with time and harsh environment, caused the white hazing, creating the overall fading, hazing, and oxidation condition issues. Our patent-pending proprietary formula clears away the white hazing on the top layer of the porcelain, the clear glass layer of the sign, to reveal the original bright, bold colors. Remember, this fading, oxidation, and hazing condition is a result of many years of adverse exposure to the elements. It's simply amazing to see the bright colors reappear as the white haze of all those years clears away while you watch. It's almost as if the hazing protected the colors beneath. You won't believe your eyes. An easy one-time application of the juice reverses years of exposure of the harsh environment that causes the white hazing, fading, and oxidation, revealing the bright, bold original colors, and most often day one gloss, creating a permanent solution that will not evaporate away. Increase the value of any signs that are in need of This Is It, The Juice. Sign collectors base condition on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best condition. A one-time application of This Is It, The Juice can bring a 3-condition sign to an 8-condition sign with ease, giving you an upgrade in a bottle, thus creating value. As an example, if a particular sign would sell in 3 condition for $350, that same sign in an 8 condition would sell for over $850 more. Wow, that's an upgrade in more ways than one. The juice is for use on painted tin and porcelain signs alike. The best results are on dull faded porcelain signs with white hazing. Using a 4-0 fine steel wool pad, place the juice directly onto the pad. Wipe or dab the juice directly onto the faded area. Some hazing will absorb the juice more quickly than others. Wipe the juice over the area and allow it to soak in. Lightly agitate the fine steel wool pad over the area to keep the area wet until the original color begins to appear and hazing begins to clear. Once clear, take a soft cotton cloth and wipe away vigorously, creating a dry, non-greasy surface with a great shine, or in some cases more of a satin shine. Polish all of your signs with the juice. When the juice is used solely as a sign polish, use a pad of 4-0 fine steel wool or a soft cloth. Apply the juice directly on the pad or cloth and wipe in a circular motion over the area, allowing it to soak in for several minutes. Then, using a clean, soft cloth, proceed to wipe away vigorously and reveal a dry shine that will not evaporate away. For tin painted signs that have a dull, faded, and sometimes chalky appearance, apply the juice to a 4-0 fine steel wool pad or soft cloth and wipe very gently over the affected area. As soon as the color has returned, wipe the excess juice away using a soft and clean cloth to reveal the bright, bold colors. With the juice, an easy one-time application creates permanent results that will not evaporate away. The juice contains no harsh chemicals, heavy solvents, or acids, and is completely non-toxic. Polish your signs with the juice for a non-greasy, dry shine that will not evaporate away. It's an upgrade in a bottle. Increase the value of your damaged vintage signs. The juice isn't just for fully faded signs. A good sign with slight hazing or white oxidation spotting can be remedied in minutes. Here's a great example of what the juice can do. We purchased this awesome 1920s porcelain ISO-Viz vertical sign. Until now, we would simply call this sign a barn hanger. Because of its overall white, hazy, oxidation condition, we would value this one at a 2 on the condition scale. We'll start by putting 3 spots of the juice down, wetting each spot and agitating with a 4-0 fine steel wool pad. Some hazing will absorb the juice quickly and some will take more time. Let the juice do the work. After approximately 40 minutes, we see that the color is returned and the hazing is cleared to reveal the deep, rich, original color. Now we will connect the 3 spots to show how consistent the results are. After applying the juice and allowing it to soak in, the upper right side is now complete, consistent, and beautiful. We will continue by finishing the entire bottom right in one shot. As you can see, all of the white hazing is cleared, revealing the awesome day one color of this ISO-Viz sign. We wipe the entire area with a clean wiping cloth vigorously to reveal the day one gloss. Wow, look at that! You won't believe your eyes. We've taken this sign from a barn hanger to an investment quality 8 on the condition scale. Talk about an upgrade in a bottle. Let the juice do the work. Remember, the white hazing, oxidation, sun-faded condition issues happened over years of being in the harsh elements, so some of the blemishes will take more time for the juice to reverse the damage. The thing to remember is to let the juice do the work. Keeping the area wet with the juice is all it takes. Lightly agitating the area with a 4-0 steel wool pad until you see the hazing begin to clear away. Until now, there was no remedy to these condition issues. As a matter of fact, all of these signs in this video were purchased from active vintage sign dealers who had no remedies for these condition issues available. Wow, look at that, is what people are saying while using This Is It, the juice. The juice is an upgrade in a bottle. Available for the first time ever, we have the solution to these troublesome condition issues. This is it, the juice. Increase the overall value and appearance of your sign collection today. Order your bottle of the juice now and see for yourself.